Let's study the next problem. At a certain rate of interest, the interest after 4 years on 5,000 rupees principal is 1,200 rupees. What would be the interest on 15,000 rupees at the same rate of interest for the same period? My dear student, here let's have brainstorming over the question first. At a certain rate of interest, the rate of interest is not given. Rate we don't know, so we have to find it. The interest after 4 years on 5,000 rupees principal is 1,200 rupees. Interest is equal to 1,200 rupees on principal which is given is 5,000 rupees. My dear student, here we have the basic information and we have to find the rate. We all know the formula. Interest is equal to principal into rate into T upon 100. My dear student, here we have to find the rate. So interest will take 100 to the other side of the equation. Here it is in the denominator. So when we take it to the other side of the equation, it will become into multiplication. So I into 100 is equal to PRT. My dear student, here we have to find the rate. So we will keep R as it is. We will keep I into 100 as it is. We will also keep is equal to as it is. P and T are in multiplication. We will take it to the other side of the equation. Then it will come in denominator upon P into T. My dear student, here we have got the formula to find out rate. So R is equal to I into 100 upon P into T. My dear student, here we will put the value. R is equal to interest is 1,200 into 100 upon principal is given, that is 5,000 into time is given, that is 4 years. T is equal to 4 years. So we will put time which is given is 4 years, here 4. 0, 0 cut, 0, 0 cut. My dear student, again one more 0 we can cut, 0, 0 cut. We will get R is equal to 120 upon 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20, 0, 0 will cut, r is equal to 12 upon 2, r is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. So my dear student, here we got the value of r. What would be the interest on 15,000 rupees? My dear student, in the second part, principal is given. P is equal to 15,000 rupees at the same rate, and rate we are find r is equal to 6. Same rate of interest for the same period, and t, that is time which is given, is same. So what? 4 years. What would be the interest? So we have to find out. I is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. So I is equal to principal here is 15,000 rupees, rate we have found out which is 6, and time is the same, that is 4 years upon 100. My dear student, here 0 0 0 0 we can cancel. I is equal to 150 into 4 into 6. I is equal to 150 into 4. 150 plus 150, 300. 300 plus 300 will become 600 into 6. I is equal to 6 6 36, 20 we can add. So I is equal to 3,600 rupees. Answer. The interest on 15,000 rupees at the same rate of interest for the same period will be 3,600 rupees. Let's study the next problem. Let's have brainstorming over the next problem. If Pankaj deposited rupees 1,50,000 in a bank, therefore principal is given. Principal is equal to 1,50,000 rupees at a rate is given is equal to 10 PCPA for 2 years. Time is given 2 years. What will be the total amount he will get from the bank. Amount is asked. But my dear student, to find amount, we should know the interest. So, interest we have to find. From the interest we can find amount. So my dear student, we know interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. I is equal to 1,50,000 into rate is 10 into 2 upon 100. My dear student, first we will multiply 1,50,000 into 2. We will get I is equal to 1,50,000 into 2. We get 3 lakhs. Into 10 upon 100. 1 0 1 0 we can cancel, 1 0 1 0 we can cancel. I is equal to 3 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 4 unit tens 100 thousand 10,000. So we get interest as 30,000 rupees. But my dear student, here we have to find amount. Therefore, interest we have got 30,000 rupees. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Amount is equal to principal is 1,50,000 plus interest we have found out, it is 30,000. So amount is equal to 1,80,000 rupees. Answer. The total amount he will get from the bank is 1,80,000 rupees. That's all, student. We'll stop here.